And yes, you can just rent one. 950 horsepower. Get out your credit cards, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to rent a racer. For the first time in a handful of years, Shelby American has teamed up with the Hertz rental car company to give you the opportunity to get behind the wheel of something spectacular. First on the roster is the Shelby GT-H. It's a Ford Mustang GT that's been modified a bit. It's got a Borla catback exhaust as well as staggered wheels, and it's available in either fastback or convertible for rental. They also wear the iconic gold Le Mans stripes that date back all the way to the original Shelby and Hertz collaboration. That's not even the gnarliest of the bunch though. Recently, MotorBiscuit's Eric Sherman interviewed Gary Patterson, the current president of Shelby American, who told us that Shelby is contracted to build 400 coupes and convertibles for the first year of their 3-year contract that they just signed, but they also made 25 way gnarlier cars built on the legendary Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. The Shelby GT500H that is available for rental at specific Hertz locations features modifications inside and out, everything from the interior, the suspension, wheels, and tires, and they make 950 horsepower. And yes, you can just rent one. 950 horsepower. Patterson himself said, "I don't know anybody that has any more juice, and from a rental standpoint, we certainly don't either." If you want to see the entirety of that interview Eric did with Gary Patterson, click the link in the description. It'll take you directly to his article. But if you'd like to know a little bit more about the Hertz Rent-A-Racer program with Shelby, stick around because I'm going to tell you right now. The collaboration between Hertz rental cars and Shelby American started all the way back in 1966 with the original Shelby GT350H. It was a Mustang Shelby GT350. It gave members of the Hertz Sports Car Club the opportunity to rent a car that they otherwise probably wouldn't have access to for financial reasons. All 1,000 of the original Shelby GT350H cars came with the standard 289 cubic inch V8 that the regular GT350 came with. Most of the cars were black with gold stripes, but some of them did wear special paint colors like the iconic Ford Wimbledon white, ivy green, sapphire blue, or candy apple red. If you're curious about how much it cost to rent one of those bad boys back in the day, it was $17 if you were a member of the Hertz Sports Car Club, which works out to about $150 in today's money, which really it doesn't seem all that bad. I mean, if it's only $150 a day to rent the current ones, that's pretty enticing. After the original Rent-A-Racer program, it would be 40 years before Shelby and Hertz teamed up for another collaborative effort, but in 2006, Shelby built 500 coupes, and following it up in 2007 with 500 convertibles, and then again in 2016, the 50th anniversary of the collaborative effort, Shelby built just 170 cars for Hertz. So if you happen upon one of those, you have happened upon a pretty rare and desirable car. Also, side note, Hertz Rent-A-Car overseas, like in the UK, got Focus STs that were Shelby tuned. They're black with gold racing stripes, just like the GT350s, the Shelby STH. Hertz, we want those here too. That's awesome. Who doesn't want to rent a sick manual hot hatchback that's been touched by Shelby? That's awesome. Bring those here too, please. We, alongside pretty much every other Mustang and Shelby enthusiast on the planet, are stoked to see the Hertz and Shelby collaborations coming back, and we would absolutely love a chance to get behind the wheel of one. Hey Shelby, I'll be in Vegas for SEMA. Call me. While we can't say for sure that we'll ever get the chance to get behind the wheel of one of these Shelby and Hertz collaborative efforts in Mustang form, we can say for sure we are grateful that you tuned into another MotorBiscuit YouTube video, and we want to thank you for that personally. You, specifically you. I'm looking right at you. My eyes are meeting your eyes. I want to thank you for watching this video. YouTube tells us that over 90% of the people watching these videos are not subscribed, so just take a second, press the subscribe button. It's free, it's not gonna hurt you. What's your problem? Are you afraid? Are you scared? No, I'm not trying to belittle you. You guys are here, you stuck around to the end, you deserve praise. You guys are awesome, but please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button while you're down there, hit the little notification bell so you get every bit of automotive content MotorBiscuit is going to be pumping out. And make sure for more, you follow us on Instagram at MotorBiscuit Official, and anything and everything automotive you could ever imagine is at MotorBiscuit.com. Until next time, my name is Braden. I'll see you in the next video.